Hello friends, welcome to SahuStudies. In this video, we are going to discuss about array main function in Spark SQL. What the array main function generally does. So let's first discuss about the signature of the array main function. So the signature of array main function is this one, and it's taking only one argument, that is array. So and why we generally use array main function? So it returns the minimum value in the array. So whatever the minimum value which is present in this array, this array main function will going to return that value. If there is a NaN and non-NaN element also present in the array, so how it will going to execute it? So NaN would be considered as a greater than non-NaN value. And if any null element present in that array, all null elements will be skipped during the calculation, during the process of finding the mean value with the help of a array mean function. So to demonstrate array mean function, I am going to do this exercise. In this exercise, what I am going to do, I am going to create this function. So there are 6 attributes which are present in this function. So these are the 6 not function, this table. Sorry, I'm going to create this table, and there are 6 attributes present in this table. So these are the 6 attributes, and when this table gets created, so with the help of this insert statement, I will going to insert some value in it, and when all insert statements execute successfully, then I will going to write this query. So what I'm just doing this query, I am just writing this CTE. This CTE, the CTE is nothing but a temporary table. So what I'm just doing, I'm just using this collect list function and providing AP salary as a parameter. So what this collect list function will going to do, it will get all the values from AP salary, convert into a array list, and that list will going to store in a column. So I have renamed this column with the help of an alias salary underscore list underscore 1. Once this CT gets created, so what I'm going to do, I am just using this array main function, and I will pass a array from which we need to calculate the minimum value. So this is the array which we have just created here with the help of a collect list function. And what this array main function will going to do, it will see the value in this list, and it will going to return whatever the minimum value which is present in this list, and that value will be stored in a column. So with the help of an alias, I am just renaming the column is min salary in list. So let's do this exercise in Databricks. Let me create a notebook. Let me rename as so. To do this exercise, we need to create one table and we need to insert some records in it. So there must be 2 scripts. One script is to create a table, and another script has a couple of insert statements. So I have already created those scripts. So this script is to create the table. So let me copy this script and paste here. Let me run it. The Spark will going to create this table. Okay, table has been created successfully. Let me insert some records in it with the help of these insert statements. Let me copy it and paste here, and let me run it. So what a Spark will going to do, a Spark will going to execute this insert statement one by one. So it will going to take a couple of minutes. So let's wait till each and every insert statement execute successfully. insert statements are executing. So let's wait. Okay, all insert statement have been executed successfully. Let's check the data. We can see these are the same data which we have inserted with the help of this insert statement. Now let's see how array min function works. But as I have mentioned earlier that array min function will going to take array as an argument and it will return the minimum value out of it. But we can see here none of the column is of an array type or none of the column store the data in the form of array. So first let's create a column which is of an array type. To create a column in form of an array by taking column of a table. So there's a two function. One is array list and one is array set. So let's use array list to create a column which is of a array type. Let me format this cell. Okay. Now let's use this collect list function and pass AP salary as a parameter. So what Spark will going to do, it will take all the value from the AP salary column and with the help of this collect list function, it will going to store those values in the form of a array and it will going to store in a column. So let me just rename the column as AP salary list. Let me run it. Okay, so we can see these values which are stored in the form of an array in this column AP salary list, which we have created with the help of a collect list function. So let's put this select statement in the CTE. Let me format this cell again so that the query would be more visible. So what I have done here in this select statement, so I am just put inside this CTE and I am selecting whatever the content which is comes with the help of this select statement here. So let me run it. Okay, we can see this is the same data. Means with the help of a collect list function, Spark is taking all the values in the AP salary, convert into array list and stored in this column. So we can see this value is stored in the form of an array list. Now let's see what is the minimum value. How we can get the minimum value from this array list. So there is a function known as a array min function. This array min function will going to take a column which has of array type. So this column which we have created, this is of an array type. This AP main function will take those that array in the form of a argument and it will return the minimum value which is present in this array and it will store in a column. So let me rename the column with the help of a alias salary and let me just in the select statement now let me put this column as well. Let me run it. We can see this is the minimum value which is present in this array. So whenever there is a requirement to figure it out, what is the minimum value in a array. So with the help of an array min function, we can able to achieve it. So in this video, we have seen how we can use array min function in Spark SQL. Let's go to the PPT. Thank you. If you like content of my video, then please subscribe my channel, like it, comment on it, and press the bell icon to get notification whenever I add videos.